What is going on, people? It's Panda here again. How's it going? Now, here I am with another Ace Fishing part, I don't know, 3? Yeah, part 3, I think. Hopefully part 3. So, yeah. What happened to my music? What happened to the music? There we go. Okay, thank you. Now, don't show again. Now, oh my god! Now, well, I would like, oh my good gravy. Taco, what in the world, boy? Trying to sign up for my, I don't know, boy Taco. Alright, so, what's going on, people? It's Panda here. Now, well, I wasn't recording yesterday. I leveled up like 2 times. And I didn't get that far, but I did level up. I caught another cherry fish. I caught 2 already. The first one I caught was in my first video. And yeah. So let's get to this and let's go. Oh, do not turn off on me. Alright, let's go. Don't you again. So I got to level 9. I got one of these. Rockfish tournament. The daily quests are refreshed every day at APDT. Alright, so let's get into this. Oh, I also got a new fishing rod. It's really cool. It does a lot of damage to the fish. It tires them out a lot more. Wow! Yes! Let's do this! Woo. Come on, come on. What are you? I don't know what that was. Oh yeah! Another Gunter, oh my gosh. A Gunter. Grunter, oh my gosh. Grunter, there you go. I don't know why I get these guys so much, but I just do. I'm a craft. Woohoo! No, you didn't make a present! No! Oh no. No. Oh, I got something probably really bad. Whoa, I did not. That's actually, oh, I don't know. I don't know. It's time to find out. Yep. My gosh, why do I only get grunters? So. Please get something new. No! It might be something new. It's definitely something new. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, no, 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 no! No. Oh, wait, it was a Southern Flounder. I caught one of those yesterday. Cha! Big fish bonus. Oh, quest strike. Come on, come on. Oh, I already tired it out. Yeehaw! What is that? A diamond scale mullet. Ooh. Has a fancy name. Sure. Wait, this isn't new? Oh, ooh. Cheers! I'm gonna be rich. I'm gonna add. Okay, sure. Blank. Oh, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh no, not another Gunter. I don't know why I keep saying Gunter. It's just like, I just keep saying it for some reason. It's Grunter, not Gunter. Come on, Panda Man, get it right. Sell. I feel sorry for these type of fish. What is this? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Alright. Oh, what I also wanted to show you guys today is that yesterday I got let's see, what is it? This should, yeah, the Australian, no, the golden box. Beautiful. Come on, get something good, get something good, get something good, get something good. Chance. It's my tackle. What is this? What did it, whoa. Oh. Let's see, got our lines. I want to get that one. Sure. Oh dang, that took a lot of my money. I did not expect that. Oh well. Ooh, I'm doing this one. Blowfish big tournament. Now I'm good. Let's see. King Beach. Why not? Actually, no. Wait. Cannon Beach. Sure. Warning, watch out for the indicator turns red. Attention gauge fills up and the fish will fight back. Alright, let's do this. Cheers. Come on, something new, something new, something new. Woo. This is definitely not new. Yeah, this is not new for sure. If it's another Grunter. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it's not a Grunter. Thought it was a Grunter. I still got you. Blank. Craft. Thank you very much. Cheers! Wow! Please, I beg of you, something new. Okay, this might be new. Yep, it might definitely be new. No, it's not new. It's not new. Oh my gosh. Oh no, it was definitely new. Whoa, a vertical mackerel. Whoa, I thought it was a diamond fish. Aw, look at him. Poor thing. Special fish. Thank you. Woo, we can edit. Let's do this. Wait, what is this? What is this? The red thing. The little red thing. This that where I'm pointing my fishing rod. What is that? It's glowy. It's sparkly. Wow! Cheers! Whoa, quest strike. Come on, let's do this. Man, this thing is weak. Oh, it's is that a yellow? Oh, it is. Ooh, hello. You're weak, bruh. Blank. And why are these fish so weak? Oh wow, that actually looks like a good fish. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful. 4-eyed butterfly fish. I think I already have one of these. I think I caught one while I was recording yesterday, or while I was not. Why the heck not? Alright, wait, I want to show you something. I was about to do my leaving thing, be like, view. I want to show you guys something. I got a lot of new fish. So you guys already know about marlin, the clown fish, big spotted grunter, a blowfish. I think it's fat. Blue surgeon, dory, of course. She looks weird. A bonefish, which looks really weird. Brown rockfish, looks cool. It opens its mouth like raw. And right here it is, 4-eyed butterfly fish, the one that I just caught. And a javelin grunter, javelin. Ornate butterfly. How do you say that? Ornate butterfly. Small spotted grunter. Striped mullet, and of course, the best one yet, redfish. Looks weird. So yeah, that's all my fish that I got in this tank, and here's the one that I bought yesterday. A southern flounder. Man, that thing looks weird. That thing looks really weird. Diamond scale mullet, the one that I just caught. The 4-eyed butterfly, the one that I just caught too. Can you not move, please? I beg of you. A vertical mackerel. Now this one is apparently really special. Whoa, it has spiky spikes on his tail. Looks weird. And a yellow anemone fish. He's the opposite of marlin. I think that's what he's called from Finding Dory. He's the opposite. He's the bad one in the movie. He tries to act like him, but he's not. Look at that evil face. God, you're hideous. Alright guys, that's enough for today. I'll see you all later. Hope you all have a nice day. Believe it or not, this video is already 13, 18 second, 19 set, 20 set. You get the point. 13 minutes and 30 seconds. Let's just say that. So, see you guys later. Bye-bye. Have a great day. Yeah, that's it. Adios.